Well, early in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Anita Keys on food safety during the holidays.
That segment will be on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page again later this morning if you'd like to watch that. And right now, Anita is prepping us for our next holiday party. Here's more on how to make a charcuterie tray.
Well, maybe you've gone to a gathering and tried something called a charcuterie board. I said that correctly, I think. Joining me now with more on this is Anita Keys. Anita with CommonGround. And Anita, this is kind of a fad right now.
Oh, it is very much a thing. And yes, charcuterie is the way you say it. And that is a word that means, actually it means meat. Now, let me give you some thoughts. There are lots of trays out there. And okay, my family knows I like to do this. So I got this one last year. It's a wooden, but I really have never put food on it yet because it's so fancy. So there's that one. You can use just any tray you might have. And the thing is, it totally gets covered up with food. So it really doesn't have to be fancy underneath. You got to kind of think about how many people you're going to have. 3 to 5 ounces of meat and cheeses per person is what you sort of figure. And what I would do if you have a large crowd, maybe have a couple of boards prepared, one in the fridge that you just pull out when you're ready. So the first thing you do is you start with some of your biggest items. This is my dip. And so it's in a bowl that I've made ahead of time. So I'm going to put that sort of in the center. I like to take the sliced meat and fold it into fourths. You just want a variety of textures, a variety of temperatures, a variety of shapes on your board. And then this morning I made some roll-ups here. Next, I'm going to go to the cheeses. And these you want to also in a variety. So these I kind of cut in sticks. I also found a set of little tiny cutting, like they're for cookie cutters is what they are. So I cut some stars and some snowflakes, like a cheese star and a snowflake. That just adds a little special bling to it, sort of, and that might be at the end. Okay, then we get to the crackers and the breads, and you can use all kinds of things here. And this, I just like to use a variety. So variety of flavors. We've got some square ones. Then we go to fruits and vegetables. And today I've just got some grapes. I don't want anything that's going to be too moist. I wanted to put a few veggies in there for those people that are trying to watch their weight over the holidays. And so I put in some, maybe some celery and some carrots. So yeah, we did a lot in a little bit of time, but enjoy. I hope you all have fun with this, making a charcuterie tray this season. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and give it a try.
Thank you, Anita, very much.